And this is how you turn on the alerts. It's dead simple. We've made it that way. So basically, you go to create alert, would be here, collect your alert, settings, condition. So you change from the coin that you're tracking to the indicator. So you're only tracking the indicator. You don't need to change anything else. You click create, and now this will create alerts for the time frame that the indicator is on. So in this case, we have it on the 5-minute Ethereum market. And every time there is a triangle, so there are three conditions for a triangle. There's an open long, there's an open sell or open short, and there's a close. That would be the orange triangle. The alert will pop up for each of those. You can set those alerts to do many things. You can have them notify you on the app, show a pop-up on your desktop, send you an email, use a webhook. This is for the Discord server that we're doing. And then, of course, you can set up the sound or even send an email to SMS. I think these levels require a pro subscription or a premium subscription. So you'll have to check on that. But I think the basic alert is free, if I'm not mistaken. And that's how alerts work. Okay, hi guys. This is the explanation for the Coinrotator Indicator. We're pretty excited to share this with you. Just a few basic points about what we're trying to do here. We're not selling a trading system. We are not offering you a get-rich-quick solution here. We're basically trying to encourage you to develop your own trading, but to use a trend following method as opposed to news trading or scalping or quantitative trading or whatever else that you find is available on the internet. So it's very important you understand that not every signal will be profitable, but over time, consistently, the signals which you take will generate profit. This requires that you practice sound risk management. You shouldn't over leverage when you trade, and you definitely shouldn't take every signal you see on the chart. So how do you know which signals to take? Very simply, you trade with the alerts that Coinrotator app provides. These are available each day and each week at Coinrotator app, as well as on the Telegram and the Discord. So if you take any trades outside of that with the indicator, I cannot guarantee that they will perform as well. But if you do that, you will find that you will be consistently with the trend. Being with the trend is probably the most misunderstood thing about trading, especially in crypto. You see a lot of people bragging about their short selling results. And yes, it's very profitable to take shorts. But if the trend is not short, you're better off simply holding spot and waiting for higher prices before you exit. Okay, so specifics about how the indicator works. There are three signals that the indicator generates. It generates a buy signal, an exit signal, and a sell signal. So none of the triangles you see will be counter trade. They will always be with the trend. Now, what does it mean when I say with the trend? With the trend means that the higher time frame that you set, which you can set here, will determine when the triangles are generated. So for presentation sake, we have sped this up. I don't recommend trading on lower time frames. It's quite difficult and you need to stay super focused. But For the presentation purposes, we will set up the HTF or higher time frame for 30 minutes, and we will look at a 5-minute chart of Ethereum. So here's the anatomy of a signal. So as we know, currently Ethereum is very strong upward trend. So we would be looking for buy signals. As you can see here, we have a buy signal at 1754 on Tuesday, March 21st. And then we have the exit signal here. Now, regarding exits, we have showed these bands. The bands can be used as a point of resistance. They work quite well in that respect. However, if price doesn't reach the band and you are conservative or nervous about your trade, this orange triangle facing downwards, which would be an exit signal, would be a good place to either take half of your profits. Sorry about the plane. I'm in Chiang Mai. There's lots of planes here.